Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're venturing to the captivating coastal city of Zadar, Croatia. From Roman ruins to modern marvels, Zadar promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Join me as we unveil the 12 best things to do in Zadar, a journey that will captivate your senses and leave you yearning for more. Let's dive in. Our first stop takes us to Zadar's iconic sea organ, a truly unique and mesmerizing experience. Imagine strolling along the waterfront, the gentle sea breeze in your hair, and then you hear it. A haunting melody carried on the wind. The sea organ, designed by architect Nikola Basic, is an incredible feat of engineering and artistry. Beneath these steps, a series of tubes and whistles harness the energy of the waves, transforming their rhythmic ebb and flow into enchanting melodies. It's a harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity, a testament to Zadar's innovative spirit. The sun-drenched promenade, the sparkling Adriatic Sea, and the distant islands create a picture-perfect backdrop for this unforgettable experience. Our next stop transports us back in time to the heart of Roman Zadar. Welcome to the Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological site that whispers tales of a bygone era. Today, the Roman Forum stands as a testament to Zadar's rich history, a captivating glimpse into the city's Roman past. This historical treasure is a must-visit for history buffs and anyone seeking to connect with Zadar's captivating past. Prepare to be wowed by breathtaking panoramic views as we ascend the historic bell tower of St. Anastasia's Cathedral. The ascent is a journey in itself, each step revealing glimpses of the city below. As you step onto the viewing platform, prepare to be greeted by a breathtaking panorama that will leave you speechless. The terracotta rooftops of Zadar's old town, the sparkling Adriatic Sea stretching towards the horizon, and the distant islands painted across the canvas of the sky. It's a view that captures the essence of this coastal paradise. This is Zadar from above, a perspective that will stay with you long after you've descended. Our exploration of Zadar now leads us to the vibrant heart of the city, People's Square. This bustling piazza is a hub of activity, a place where locals and visitors converge to soak up the city's lively atmosphere. Find a seat at one of the charming cafes that line the square, sip on a Croatian coffee, and simply observe the world go by. People's Square offers a taste of Zadar's vibrant energy. Prepare to be dazzled by the artistry of a bygone era as we step into the captivating world of the Museum of Ancient Glass. This unique museum is a treasure trove of ancient craftsmanship, showcasing a remarkable collection of Roman glassware that dates back centuries. From perfume bottles to oil lamps, each piece tells a story, offering a glimpse into the daily lives and rituals of the Roman world. You'll also witness the ancient art of glassblowing firsthand, as skilled artisans demonstrate the techniques that have been passed down through generations. This is a truly immersive experience that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the artistry of glass. Ready to trade your exploration boots for flip-flops? Our next stop takes us to the sun-kissed shores of Kolovar Beach, Zadar's haven for relaxation and recreation. Whether you're seeking a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, a leisurely sunbathing session, or an afternoon of beach volleyball, Kolovar Beach offers the perfect escape. Indulge in delicious Croatian ice cream from a nearby vendor, sip on a refreshing cocktail at a beachside bar, or simply lose yourself in the pages of a captivating book as you soak up the Mediterranean vibes. Kolovar Beach is the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and embrace the laid-back coastal lifestyle. Set sail on an unforgettable adventure to Cornati National Park, a sailor's paradise in the Adriatic Sea. Cruise through a labyrinth of over 100 islands, each a natural masterpiece. Snorkel, hike, or simply enjoy the natural beauty of Cornati National Park. Discover vibrant marine life, hike to panoramic viewpoints, or relax on your boat. This boat trip will stay with you long after you've returned to shore. Our journey through Zadar's historical treasures leads us to the Church of St. Donatus, an architectural masterpiece from the 9th century. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by serenity and awe. The high vaulted ceilings, the interplay of light and shadow, create an ambiance that is both mystical and captivating. As the day wanes, prepare to be mesmerized by a magical spectacle at Zadar's Greeting to the Sun installation. Designed by Nikola Basic, this unique installation blends nature, art, and technology. As dusk descends, vibrant lights dance across the platform, reflecting off the Adriatic Sea. Accompanied by the sea organ's soothing sounds, you'll feel tranquility wash over you. It's the perfect way to end a day in Zadar, capturing the essence of this coastal city. Lace up your walking shoes and join me on a leisurely stroll along Zadar's picturesque Riva Promenade, a waterfront walkway that offers breathtaking views and a taste of local life. The Riva is more than just a walkway. It's the lifeblood of the city, a place where locals and tourists alike come to relax, socialize, and soak up the Mediterranean charm. Grab a scoop of gelato from a local vendor, find a bench with a view, and watch as sailboats glide across the azure waters. Whether you're seeking a romantic evening stroll, a picturesque jogging route, or simply a moment of tranquility by the sea, the Riva Promenade offers the perfect setting. Our journey through Zadar's historical tapestry wouldn't be complete without exploring the imposing Zadar city walls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood as a silent guardian of the city for centuries. Imagine strolling along these ancient ramparts, tracing the footsteps of Roman soldiers, Venetian merchants, and countless others who have walked these walls throughout history. Be sure to visit the Land Gate, the grand entrance to the city, and climb the Captain's Tower for panoramic views of Zadar's enchanting old town. The Zadar city walls are a testament to the city's enduring spirit, a reminder of its turbulent past and its unwavering resilience. No journey is complete without indulging in the local flavors, and Zadar is a culinary paradise waiting to be explored. From fresh seafood to hearty meat dishes, Zadar's cuisine is a delicious fusion of Mediterranean influences and Croatian traditions. For a truly authentic dining experience, seek out a konoba, a traditional Croatian tavern. Indulge in paštikada, a slow-cooked beef stew marinated in red wine and herbs. Or savor the flavors of brudet, a flavorful fish stew simmered in a rich tomato sauce. As our journey through the captivating city of Zadar comes to an end, I'm left with a sense of awe and a longing to return. From the enchanting melodies of the sea organ to the ancient whispers of the Roman Forum, Zadar has captivated my senses and left an imprint on my soul. So, if you're seeking an off-the-beaten-path destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty, look no further than Zadar, Croatia. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye.